Welcome back, everyone. We are on example 3 now. So let me write down the solution. Here they say solve for x if this is the case. So guys, I know that many of you might take this question for granted since it's solve for x, but then trust me, you really need this whatever. Okay, so the solution, let's rewrite it first. 1.025 x minus 1 equal to 300. So what you need to know is that whenever, so we want to solve for x, but our x in this case is the exponent, and there is no way that we can use the basic laws of exponents in order to solve this. So in cases like this where you have your variable as an exponent, then you need to use what we call the logarithm. We need to introduce logs. We need to introduce logs now. Okay, maybe you have already know about what logs are. What logs are. So for someone who is doing technical maths, then you know what logarithms are since grade 11. For someone who is doing pure maths, if your teacher hasn't introduced you to logarithms yet, then don't worry, he or she will still introduce you to them. However, for this question, what you need to know about logarithms, I will show you few properties of logarithm. The first property is that the first property is that n log a is equal to log a to the power of n. So you can take this exponent and bring it to the front whenever you like, and you can take this coefficient and bring it to the exponent, whenever you like. Then now log a base b, this is called the base of a logarithm. This is equal to log a over log b. So on your calculator you can find this log button there. I don't know how am I going to, just below the on button there is a log button, so you can always get it there. I don't know how can I or where can I get the feature that can show my calculator here on screen, but then I will make a plan. I'll find out. So far, let's work this way. So what is it that we need to do now? Firstly, let us divide by this 75 on both sides. Let's divide by 75 on both sides. Then we get this and that goes out. We get 1.025 to the power x minus 1 equal to, what is 300 divided by 75? 300 divided by 75 is the same as 4. This is equal to 4. Let me write this exponent in green. So now I will introduce something that is called logarithm on both sides of my equation. So I will have log of 1.025 to the power of x minus 1 equal to log. What is done on the left must be also done on the right, equal to log 4. Now, using this property 1, I have x minus 1 as my exponent, so I want to take my exponent and bring it to the front. So I will have x minus 1 log 1.025 equal to log 4. Allow me to erase this part. We are done. Or let me just take it and plug it somewhere here, because yeah, let me do that. Then I will have, let me have a line here. Then now I have, let's copy and paste this guy. Let's plug it here. Yeah, so I need to divide. Remember, I am solving for x. Since I am solving for x, then allow me to divide by log of 1.025 on both sides. So on both sides, I will divide by log 1.025 log 1.025. So this and that goes out. Then I will be left with x minus 1 equal to log 4 equal to log, let me pick that color red, equal to log 4. But then remember our property 2. Remember our second property. I will use this property now. I will use this property that says if you have log a over log b, then we can just say log a base b. That is, here I will have 1 point, I will have 1,025 as my base. Then now I am solving for x. I need to take this -1 to the next, to the other side. So I will have x equal to log 4 base 101,025. This is 025 plus 1. So here you can just punch your calculator and see what that is equal to. 1.025 4 plus 1. So I get my x equal to 57.14. I have rounded off my number, so that is why I get that. I have rounded off my number. Thank you very much. To prove that this is correct, you can take, or to check, you can take this part here. Since this one is rounded off, then you take this number, you plug it exactly here, then you should get 300. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go to example 4.